Happy birthday to you.
Oh, frozen my favorite place. Can you borrow? Hello, Internet. I miss you, you know. I'm behind from COVID. Mama Noi is alright. Marion put me away safe. I've been missing my fan. So many fans now. My agent keep calling me. Look, man, I'm so busy.
Oh, you're so awesome.
Today we cooking Thai garlic fried chicken. Action. We're using chicken side today. Marion likes chicken side too.
What do I say? We kind of need a t-shirt. I'm a legs and thighs girl.
First, we're gonna cut the chicken. Now we're gonna make the marinade. I start with the garlic. This recipe needs a lot of garlic because garlic will make a good flavor. Put in there, skin, everything. Now you're gonna pound it up a bit. Now, you see that? The skin like this. We don't use this. Just put back in there. You know it's my birthday today. I don't know why I'm cooking my birthday. Son-in-law should be cooking. I'm gonna do everything around here. It's my birthday. Today I'm 21. Now we're gonna add peppercorn. White peppercorn today. I find better than black peppercorn. Good flavor. So you just put in like this. Just pound like a rough pie. I want that because it gets crispy.
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 Crispy. Now we're gonna get a spoon, dip it out, put it in the chicken. We can eat the garlic too. Little bit oyster sauce and the fish sauce and a little bit of sugar. Not too much sugar, though it's sweet enough. After that, you just mix together. Now we're ready to fry. When Marion make this recipe, she adds flour.
Would you use the flour, Mum? Would you do flour?
I don't put flour on mine.
No. No flour. No flour. I'm gonna get in trouble later. Anyway.
Not correct. This is the right way. You listen to Noi. When the oil hot, and you can add the chicken. Just be careful. Little bit of time. Oh, you can hear that. Very nice. And get a little bit of stir. Smell good. You see the garlic start to come out, start to brown now, before the chicken. What you do is, you pick it up like this, you just put back in a tray, because we're gonna eat that with chicken. Looking good. Now the chicken start the color. Nice now. Brown now. That's enough. Just take it out, put in a tray. You have to squeeze the chicken and the garlic at the same time. We don't want to leave garlic behind because we are going to eat it. Okay, look at our chicken. Fry a little bit long time. Nice and dark and crispy. I'm going to serve mine with Marion sauce. I love this one. It's spicy, just like me. This one chili sauce so tasty. But you can serve any sauce you like. Sweet chili is nice too. And I put garlic on too.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday, dear Mama Noi.
Oh,
There you go. Don't say I didn't give you anything.
thank you for
You're
my
very
birthday.
welcome.
Thank
Look
you.
at that. You're
Thank you.
welcome. Mum's
Thank you.
birthday. Did you make me some fried chicken for your birthday?
Yes, special chicken.
You could have got the son-in-law to make that, you know.
Uh-huh. Where's son-in-law?
I don't know where he is. Are you gonna go? Are you making a wish? Very nice. I'm gonna have fried chicken. It looks really good.
I have
it looks
fried
so
chicken.
good, Mum. Look at that crispy.
Yeah.
I love. So, did you use flour?
Mama Noi chicken, no flour.
Oh, that is so yum, Mum. That's so
that?
good. I love that white pepper flavor. Mm-hmm.
I like mine with the garlic on because I like the garlic.
Oh, I have another surprise for you. Hold on. So you guys know that we have been in Australia since COVID, but usually we're in Bangkok, right?
Yep.
And so the team in Bangkok has been missing you,
Oh.
and they made a little video for you. Do you want to have a look? Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
It's nice.
That's nice.
Yeah. Bang.
Bang. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, I miss them.
I know you do.
Oh, they're very nice. I miss them. Let's go. Oh, good dog of a cow. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, all of you.
That's fun, isn't it?
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, we miss Thailand, don't we?
Yeah, very good birthday. Thank you.
Thank you for making me fried chicken
Thank you.
on your birthday.
Oh, what surprising.
This is from Dax and I.
Oh,
Your Australian team.
Happy birthday!
thank you. Jimmy.
But the problem is, we're not sure if you'll like it. I don't know if it's your favourite or not.
Oh,
There you go.
thank you for both of you.
Cheers.
Good day. Cheers. Oh, that's a nice wine. Beautiful wine. Nice wine.
Oh, what a nice birthday. There you go.
Yeah.
If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks, guys.